Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to see your Google search history. Whether you want to review your past searches or manage what Google saves, this quick tutorial will walk you through everything step by step. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to myactivity.google.com/myactivity. This will take you directly to the Google My Activity page. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in to the correct Google account. You can check which account you're using by looking at the top right corner of the page. If you're not signed in, simply log in to the account whose history you want to view. Once you're signed in, you'll see all your activity displayed, including your web and app activity, timeline activity, and even your YouTube history. From here, you can explore and manage what's saved in your account. You can click into any section to see more details or even pause activity tracking if you don't want Google to record that data anymore. If you want to delete your history, you have several options. You can delete items from the last hour, the last day, a custom date range, or even your entire history. You can also remove individual items manually by clicking the small X next to each entry. Remember, this history isn't limited to just your Google searches. It also includes websites you've visited using Chrome and apps you've used. You can also manage specific activity types. For example, if you don't want your YouTube history saved, click on the YouTube History section and choose to pause or turn it off completely. This ensures that future activity won't be recorded. Once you've reviewed or adjusted everything, simply return to your main Google My Activity page to see your updated settings. And that's it. That's how you can easily view and manage your Google search history. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more quick tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.